Install the EVSE according to the manufacturer's specifications, adhering to the local electrical code. If you or your customer ordered the extended range model, plug the Wi-Fi repeater into an open 120-volt outlet, approximately halfway between the EVSE and the EMS controller. To install the EMS controller, consult the Listo EMS installation manual found in the box. The Listo controller comes in the box with the antennas disassembled. The antennas are interchangeable. As seen in the video, straighten and then carefully thread each antenna onto the side of the controller, snugging them finger-tight. Then bend them into the correct position as shown. Reminder: the current transformers go on the mains, not the EV load. Moving on to Listo EMS commissioning. To begin commissioning, you should confirm that EVSEs are wired and powered on. If applicable, repeaters are plugged in. You have the customer's Wi-Fi network name and password. Panel information and Listo system serial number are known. Ensure phones are not in private browsing mode to avoid session timeouts. To begin commissioning, scan the QR code titled Installer on the installation overview sheet or go to app.unicopower.com/Listo setup on your device. You will arrive at the login page for the Unico Power app. You can go ahead and sign in with Google, Apple, or Facebook. You can also use a contractor account sent to you by Unico Power. To do that, select Sign in here, then select Sign in with password. You will arrive at a web page titled Register your Listo. You will see Step 2 instructs you to go to the Internet settings on your device and join the network Listo Internet Setup. You will know it's the right network as it requires no password. Return to the Register Your Listo page and click the link in Step 3, or open a new tab and type 192.168.42.1 into the browser search bar. You will arrive at a page called Listo Wi-Fi Setup. Select the customer's Wi-Fi network from the drop-down and enter the password. If the customer's network is visible on your device's Wi-Fi settings, but not the drop-down menu on the Listo Wi-Fi Setup page, select Enter a hidden Wi-Fi name from the drop-down menu, entering the network name and password directly. Once you have entered the network name and password, click Connect and wait up to 120 seconds to be directed to the next step. The Listo Internet Setup network will now disappear, and your device needs to be connected to the Internet to proceed. If not automatically directed, ensure your device is connected to the Internet via data or Wi-Fi. Return to the page with the list of changes being applied and click the displayed link. You will be transferred to a page titled Listo Site Setup. This page lists the connection statuses of the EMS controller and EVSE. Confirm the serial number on the page matches the installed unit. If needed, wait until both devices are online. Enter the customer's home address, wait for it to show up so you can select it from the drop-down menu, and click Proceed. Fill in the electrical panel details, remembering to indicate if the system is three-phase. You must set the fail-safe limit for the EVSE. It is set to 0 by default, so if there is 7 or more amps of capacity on the panel, be sure to set it to 7. Click Save and Preview. Confirm the limits are correct, and select Complete Setup. Confirm the EMS controller status light is solid green, indicating it's online. On the EVSE, a chain link icon for Elite and Elite Plus or a globe icon for Listo Premium will confirm connection. If possible, test charging by plugging into the customer's car. Customer handoff. Your installer account can be removed from the system and transferred to the end customer, even if they are not present during installation. Go to app.unicopower.com/home. You will notice a box starting with Finished installing equipment. Enter the customer's email address in that box and click Transfer Control. If you do not see this option, just send an email to listo@unicopower.com with the customer's email address, and we will get them started. Your company's account will be removed from the system and can be used again on your next Listo installation. You can remind the customer that they should check their inbox for an email allowing them to claim their Listo system. If the inspector is present on site on the day of installation, the installer can hand them the paper slip titled Electrical Inspector. This slip explains how Listo EMS is a CSA-certified EV EMS and that the EV charging load is treated as a 7, 6, or 0 amp continuous load. If the inspector is not present, ensure the customer holds on to that paper slip for when the inspector does get to site. Congratulations! You have completed Listo EMS contractor training. You're now ready to provide single-family and townhome residents with reliable and fast Level 2 EV charging in one affordable and easy-to-install package. Thank you for choosing to work with a proud Canadian company and for being a forward-thinking electrical contractor.